Who made the Taj Mahal? A king. Who made the pyramids of Egypt? Ancient Egypt. Who made the Great Wall of China? Chinese workers. Who made the Eiffel Tower? French engineers. Who made the Colosseum in Rome? The Romans. Who made the Statue of Liberty? The French. Who made the Great Sphinx? And ancient Egyptians. Who made the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Italian builders. Who made the Red Fort in India? Mughal Empire Shah Jahan. Who made the stoning in England? Ancient peoples. Who made the Golden Gate Bridge? American engineers. Who made the Big Ben in London? British builders. Who made the Burj Khalifa? Modern engineers. Who made the Parthenon in Greece? The ancient Greek. Who made the moist status on Easter Island? The Islanders.